In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can cancel YouTube Premium on mobile. Okay, so there's two ways that you can do this, and the first way is using the app. So once you've launched the YouTube app, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right, and then you can see an option underneath time watched that says paid memberships. If you go ahead and tap on that, it's going to show you YouTube Premium and the price of it. All you need to do is tap on Premium and it will give you all the details about your membership, and then all you need to do to cancel your YouTube Premium membership is to hit the blue deactivate button. And once you've hit the deactivate button, your YouTube Premium membership will be cancelled. Now, the second way of how you can cancel YouTube Premium on your phone is if you go onto a browser. In this case, I have Google Chrome open and I've gone to youtube.com. Then you can see your profile picture at the top right. Tap on that and then you tap on paid memberships once again and it will bring you up a similar page. Tap on Premium and then you can tap on the deactivate button from here. So that is how you cancel YouTube Premium membership on your phone. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.